GHD has some of my favorite hair tools, hands down. They have amazing blow dryers. I love their GHD Helios and their straighteners, the GHD Max. I mean, come on, that is like my go-to straightener. It's so good. So I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison today of the GHD Helios, which I love and I use so much for my blowouts, and the GHD Duet Style. These two hair tools are very different. I feel like some people are going to prefer the GHD Helios and some others might prefer this one, the Duet Style, but I don't really know which one I'm gonna like better, so I'm gonna let you guys know at the end of the video which hair tool I like better and which one I prefer for my curly hair. And since today I'm just gonna try everything GHD, I might as well just use their Sleek Talker. This is supposed to give you a very nice sleek look, and it's supposed to work very well with the Duet Style. This is kind of like the match made in heaven. Like, these two work super well together according to GHD and their website and stuff, because I haven't tried it. So I'm gonna be trying it today, and I'm just gonna add about maybe like 2-3 pumps of this to my hair, and I'm gonna add this on all my hair. Wow, this feels really nice and like smooth. It almost feels like a skin serum. I really like that. It's kind of like an oil, but it doesn't feel too heavy. This smells really good too. It kind of smells like perfume. We're gonna do this first section with the GHD Helios, and I like using this round brush from Olivia Garden. It is the XL55. This hair tool retails for $280, and the GHD Duet Style retails for $400, so it is a little bit more pricey. It's actually a lot pricier than the GHD Helios, but this is only a blow dryer, and the Duet Style is a 2-in-1 hair tool. So it is a blow dryer but also a straightener. So I'll show you guys how I use this in a little bit. I'm currently editing, as you can see, and I just discovered that the GHD Duet Style right now is on sale at Ulta for $279. So not $400, $279. So they're both technically the same price right now, the GHD Helios and the Duet Style. So now I feel like that changed everything. But you guys will see. I mean, if you end up liking the Helios, get the Helios. If you end up liking the Duet Style, then get that one instead. But I just wanted to let you know that there is a sale right now. It is July 13th, 2023. I don't know when exactly you're going to watch this video, but I hope that if you do end up getting the Duet Style, that it is still on sale at Ulta. I'm going to link it down below. And yeah, I just wanted to include that in this video before you guys made your decision if you're looking into buying any of the two. Anyways, let's get back into the video. So this is how loud the GHD Helio is when you use it. Pretty loud, not too bad though. So this is the first section with the GHD Helios. My hair feels super soft. I really like this serum. By the way, this is a heat protectant as well, so it does protect your hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, I really like this so far. I can't wait to use this with the Duet Style. I've heard that these two together just work super well and give you very nice results. So we'll see about that. I can't wait to try it out. But yeah, so far this side looks very nice. I definitely feel like I'm very used to doing my blowouts like this with the Helios and a round brush, or even another blow dryer like the Babyless Volare, the DYSON Supersonic. I love those blow dryers, but yeah, I'm very used to that movement. It is very easy for me. So I feel like I'm going to be able to do this side quicker than this side just because I'm more used to the movement, but I don't know, I could be wrong. I'm definitely not used to doing my hair with this hair tool. I've only used it like 2 times, so yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna turn this on. By the way, this only has one drying setting and also one heat setting. The plates actually get to 365 degrees Fahrenheit, which is actually the perfect heat setting for your hair. I know sometimes when I straighten my hair with other hair tools, I go up to like 410 degrees Fahrenheit. And so that's when I noticed my hair getting super damaged. So I've been trying to control myself, and I like that GHD has that feature. Like, it only has one heat setting, so it kind of is the perfect heat setting for you. You don't need more than that. I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, it's warming up. Okay, so it's warming up. Actually, it's ready to use. So yeah, that was super quick. I feel like this one's louder than the Helios. What do you guys think? I feel like this one's louder. You can also use a brush just to be able to smooth out your curls a little bit better. And I'm gonna wait for the end to use the straightener mode because I just don't want to like be on and off with the straightener and blow dryer mode. I just rather dry it all and then straighten it all at the end. Okay, so you press the hair tool for a couple of seconds. And then you start to bring it down very slowly. And your hair is supposed to get straight with just 3 passes. I noticed that in the past I've had to do about 4 or 5 passes with this hair tool to get like a super straight look. See, like that's the first pass. It looks still pretty curly, so I'm going to do another pass. But I'm just mainly using this feature, like the drying feature, just to dry my hair. I don't want like a super sleek look. I'm going to use the straightener for that anyways. So I just mainly want this to dry my hair, this first step. And then I'll use the Shine Shot to really smooth out my hair. I'm going to do another pass. This is the 3rd pass. Okay, so that's 3 passes. Not bad at all. It doesn't feel completely dry, so I'm going to do 1 more pass and that's it. Yeah, I think with 1 more pass, I should be good. Okay, I'm going to turn this off because this is very loud. I mean, even when you're not using it, it's just very, very loud. So yeah, that's better. It's so loud. But anyways, this is the section with the Duet Style. It looks super straight, but I still feel like this section looks even smoother in my opinion. But this one definitely looks straighter. So yeah, and once I use the Shine Shot mode, that is when my hair is gonna look super sleek. So yeah, as you can see, I still have some curls coming through, like a little bit closer to the root. But overall, this is not bad for a first step. But now I'm gonna dry all my hair. I'm gonna be doing the GHD Helios first. And with this side, I'm just going to be doing a regular blowout, you know, like that voluminous blowout look. I'm not going to add a straightener or anything, even though I am going to be doing that on the GHD Duet Style side because it brings that feature. It's a 2-in-1 hair tool. So I am going to be drying my hair first. I'm going to time each section, and then I'm going to start a timer again, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes me to straighten my hair in the Shine Shot mode on the GHD Duet Style side. So I'll be back once my hair is completely dry, and then I'll move on to the Shine Shot mode. Alright guys, I am done with my blowout. This is the Duet Style side. It took me about 20 minutes to do just this side, so it'll take me about 40 minutes to do all my hair just to dry my hair. And it definitely doesn't look finished in my opinion. But again, I wasn't going for that super sleek look because I knew it was going to take me longer to do that. And I know I was going to end up using the Shine Shot mode anyways to straighten my hair, basically the straightener. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Not bad at all. I'm sure that when I straighten it's going to look way better. And this is what the Helios side looks like. Definitely looks a little bit better in my opinion for just a blowout. I love the bounce that I was able to get, and it looks a little bit shinier in my opinion. I really liked this serum, by the way, and I really liked using it with the Helios. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. It gave me so much shine and it feels super, super light. So yeah, I feel like this side is basically finished, but I know that in the summer my hair gets frizzy anyways, so I technically would use a straightener anyways, probably the GHD Max in the summer after a blowout with the Helios. So if you want a 2-in-1 straightener, if you have to straighten your hair anyways after a blowout, you might as well just get this one. You might like this one a little bit more, but it really depends on what you're looking for. This side only took me 17 minutes to do, the Helios, and the Duet Style took me 20 minutes. So I definitely get a quicker blowout with the Helios side. And I noticed that I was able to take bigger sections with my round brush, and I was able to dry my hair way quicker. It was easier to use. With the Duet Style, I had to take very small sections, and even whenever I would take bigger sections, I would just find myself dividing that section anyways into 2 sections and just doing small sections, because if not, it was going to just take me so long to do all my hair. Now I'm going to straighten my hair with the Duet Style. I'm just going to do this side. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm I'm going to put it in the shine shot mode. And I'm actually going to pin this section just so that I can keep that bounce. So I'm just going to do that now real quick. But even if I had to straighten the Helios side, I definitely feel like it is a lot more smooth. So I wouldn't have to do a ton of passes to my hair. I would maybe have to do like 2 passes per section with the straightener, and it'll look just fine. With this side, I feel like it definitely needs a couple of passes. But it is smooth for the most part. It is pretty straight, but it still needs a straightener for sure. So I'm just going to straighten my hair very quickly with this. I should probably time this as well, just to let you guys know how long it takes me to straighten my hair with this, because you got to add that to, you know, the whole thing. There's 1 pass. I'm going to do another one. I mean, this straightener is really good. Like, it is like the GHD Max. It is that good. So if you're getting a GHD straightener in a hair tool, that's a pretty good deal, I'm not gonna lie. Because these straighteners are very expensive, number one, but they're also very, very good. Like, they give me so much shine. You guys see that? And they just leave my hair so sleek, and they're just so easy to use. And that one heat setting at 365 is literally perfect for me. What I like about this hair tool is that you're able to do a little bit of a curl as well. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. You can definitely get more styles with this hair tool compared to the Helios. So that's another plus about this hair tool. Yeah, so far this is straightening my hair super quickly. This is the easier part. The hardest part for me is just drying all my hair. But once my hair is completely dry and mostly smooth, then straightening it is so easy. There you go. I'm gonna do a quick curl so you guys can see that this hair tool also gives you a little bit of a curl. Just twist the hair tool and very slowly bring it down like this. Okay. And there you have it. It gave me a little bit of a curl, which is super cute. I really like that. It's not like a super tight curl, but it's a nice little wave. I'm gonna re-straighten that because I want my hair to be super sleek. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna straighten my hair. I'm gonna let you guys know how long it takes me to straighten one side. So yeah, guys, I'll be back with the final look and my thoughts. Alright, guys, I am done straightening my hair. It took me almost 15 minutes to do one side. So yeah, it is a long process, but I really, really love the results. I mean, look how smooth my hair looks. My hair won't get frizzy. Like, when I blow out my hair and then I straighten it like this, it really does last in the summer, so that's a big plus. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. Absolutely love both hair tools. They're both amazing. But you guys let me know in the comments down below which side you liked better. Did you like the duet style better, or do you like the GHD Helios side better? I actually prefer, for a blowout, the Helios. And I know this might sound a little crazy, but I would use the Helios and then the GHD Max straightener to do all my hair. I just feel like it's easier than using this hair tool to blow out my hair, and then straightening it wasn't bad. The straightening part was easy, it was fine, but the blowing out part was not my favorite. So I feel like I would prefer to just use the Helios and then literally use the GHD Max, and it'll give me this same exact look, and it might be even quicker than what I just did on this side. If you already have a nice straightener that you like, then maybe just go with this blow dryer. I definitely recommend it. The only thing is that it did feel easier for me to do, but a blowout with the regular blow dryer can be very, very hard to do in the beginning. Like, if you're not used to using these hair tools, then you might find it very, very hard to get a nice blowout with this hair tool and a regular round brush. But if you're more of a beginner at doing your hair, then definitely recommend maybe using this hair tool. It might take you a little bit longer to do all your hair with this hair tool, but it is easier to use than doing a blowout with this hair tool. Even though I feel like for me, it was easier to blow out my hair with the Helios because I'm more used to it. But yeah, just keep practicing and you're gonna get amazing blowouts, I promise you. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I'm going to be linking all the hair tools and products down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.